between. So, good morning, children. In today's class, we'll start chapter number 8, body movement. And before starting the chapter, we'll just do the misunderstood words of this chapter. Children, this chapter is very interesting. We are going to study about our joints, about our muscles, different movements that our body shows. So, all these things we are going to study in this chapter. Okay. I want each one of you to kindly write down today's date. And yes, Aru Bhaskar, give me the first word.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first word is backbone. Ma'am, backbone. Vertebral column of backbone is slightly curved and slightly movable string offering shaped bone or vertebrate.
Okay. So we can say backbone as a vertebrate. Okay. It is composed of 33 small bones. So first word you have done, that is backbone. Second, Arnav Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. The second word is bristles. Short and stiff hair.
Okay, bristles are short and stiff hair which are connected with the muscles. So this is known as bristles. Okay. Next is Vaibhav Balan.
The third word is cartilage.
Okay, next third word is cartilage.
It is a solid but semi-rigid and flexible tissue. Cartilage
Yes.
smoothens bone surface at joints.
So cartilage is not hard. This is an additional part of the skeleton that is not as hard as the bones, which can bend also. It is not as hard as bone. Okay. So Vedic, give the next word.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, next word is cavity.
Yes, Vedic
It's,
lady.
ma'am, next word is cavity.
Okay. Cavity is
Cavity is...
cavity. You can see from the screen, Vedic. Cavity
It
is a hole.
is the hollow space or cavity is one bone into with which the other bone fits. Such joint allows movement in all directions.
Okay, so cavity is a hollow space or in which we can fit one bone into the another bone. Okay, and it shows movement in all the directions. Okay, next is Aditya Raj. After that, Parnika.
And next word is fixed point. The bones cannot move at these joints. Such joints are called fixed point.
Okay, that is known as a fixed point along which the bones can't move. Arshayas. Okay, Parnika. Parnika, Arshayas, Arav Kulial, Arnav Singh Tomar.
Ma'am, hinge
Yes.
joint. Open close.
Parnika, speak loudly, beta.
Ma'am, hinge joint.
Okay.
Observe hygiene of a door careful. Open and close a door for a few times.
So hinge joint is found in the fingers, elbow, and knee. It shows movement only in one direction. Next is Naman Sharma. Arnav Singh. Arnav Singh Tomar.
Can I?
Yes.
Muscles. The bone are moved by the alternate contractions and
relaxations
Of two set of
set.
muscles. So children, we have two sets of muscles that we'll see when we read about it. So they are moved alternate. That is, once the contraction is there, and in other sets the relaxation takes place. Okay, Arnav Agarwal, next word.
And the next word is outer skeleton.
Okay, outer
When the
skeleton.
skeleton, when the skeleton is outside the body, it's called outer skeleton.
Skeleton. So children, as the name is showing, outer skeleton means when the skeleton is outside the body, then it is known as outer skeleton. Okay. Khushi Singh, Arav Kulial, Puneet Anand, Aditya Raj. What is
And
the
the next
Is not visible.
pelvic bones. They
pelvic?
include the portion of our body below the stomach. This is known as pelvic bones.
Okay. So this is a pelvic bone. The bones in the hip region are known as pelvic bones.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, next word is pivotal joint.
Yes, speak out for that.
The joint where our neck joins the head, a pivotal joint.
Okay, that is known as a pivotal joint. Next, Vaibhav. Yes, Vaibhav Balan.
Ma'am, next. Ma'am, next. Word is vertical joint.
Yes,
Can
speak
you
out.
hear me?
Yes, speak out the sentence. What is the meaning of that?
The joint which allows movement in many plants is called pivotal joint. For example, skull makes such joint with the first two vertebrae.
Okay. Next word will be given by Arav Bhaskar.
Ma'am, please call up.
Yes, Arav.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, shoulder bone. The shoulder bone is formed by the collarbone and the shoulder blade. It forms a pectoral girdle. Collarbone is also called a clavicle.
Okay. So this is a meaning of shoulder bone. Next is Puneet Anand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And we have
next
not
word
done
is skeleton.
Okay.
And we have
Next
not
word is
done
skeleton.
Aditya, wait for a minute. Let him speak first of all. Puneet.
Bones in our body also form a framework to give the shape to our body. This framework is called skeleton.
Okay. So skeleton is used to give a framework to our body that is known as a skeleton. Yes, Aditya Raj.
Ma'am, we have not done rib cage and shoulder bones.
No problem, beta. You can speak. You give the meaning of this.
Of rib cage,
Yes, tell me what is rib cage.
ribs join the chest bone and the backbone together to form a box. This is called the rib cage.
Yes, simple it is. Ribs joins the chest bone and the backbone together. And when they join together, they form a box-like structure that is known as a rib cage. So children, one more word I had added in it, that is a streamlined. So streamlined shape already you have read. The body where the shape tapers on both the ends is called a streamlined body. Plus, we can say, you know the shape of a fish. Shape of a fish is a streamlined body. So narrow at the ends and broader in the middle. That shape is known as a streamlined shape. And children, I will upload this assignment or this misunderstood words on the ERP. If any of the word that you will not get, you can kindly note down from here. One more word is there, children. This word is in your book even. Gait of the animals. Gait of the animals means some animals do not have bones. they do not have bones, then how they have muscles only? So with the help of muscles, they extend and shorten the body. So that is known as a gait of animal, means how animals move. The animals which do not have bones, how they move, that is known as a gait of animal. One more word is there, ball and socket joint. So these are the types of joint, children, that we will study during the reading of the chapter. And this is very important, tendons and ligament. There is a difference. So see, in tendons, join muscle to the bones. When muscles and bones join together, that is known as tendons. And on the other hand, when two bones join together, that is known as a ligament. So don't get confused between the ligaments and tendons. Ligament is from when we join two of the bones. So children, these are the misunderstood words of chapter number 8. And after that, tomorrow, in tomorrow's class, we'll continue with your chapter number 8, the reading of this chapter. Okay.